bizarre footage has emerged online, appearing to show the apparition of a ghost train pulling into an empty platform. The footage was recorded on March 10, at the Baotou Railway Station in China. The description read, "When the station's security were watching the surveillance cameras, they noticed this ghost train pull into the station, and stop as if it was picking up passengers before leaving." Online viewers were left arguing over what the phenomenon could be. One said, "That's a ghost train." Whereas another suggested, "Could be a parallel universe overlapping into our world." And a third even claimed, "It's an invisible cloak metamaterial military experiment,